Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute today to show you a really easy tip that is going to get you playing awesome sounding solos right away. So, a lot of times when we're first starting out, soloing can be a little bit overwhelming. And I mean, with all these different notes that we can play here, sometimes it's just difficult to know where to start. So, what we're going to do is we're going to actually simplify this a lot for ourselves. So instead of looking at all of these notes, I'm just going to go ahead and concentrate on the high B and high E string here. So all these other strings, all these other notes, I'm going to pretend like those don't exist. And what I'm going to do is come up with as many variations as I possibly can just using these notes here. So just using these notes starting on fret number 3 here. And it turns out there's actually quite a lot that you can do just using these notes. So let's go ahead and see what that sounds like really quick. Cool. So, like I said, it really just kind of simplifies things a lot when we're first starting out. And if you want to go ahead and try this for yourself, you can click the link in the description below, and it'll take you right to this page, and you can play along with this song here. The only thing I would suggest is to really try and fight the urge to add more notes here. At least for right now, because what you'll find is that by limiting yourself to just playing the notes on the B and E string, it really forces you to be a lot more creative with melodies and the licks that you play. So give it a shot and have fun.